Hi, I'm Basem Marcos. I'm a trauma surgeon and the surgical critical care director here at North Memorial House. So we take care of any traumatic injuries. We also do intensive care work, and then we have our third component is general surgery, where we take care of the usual general surgery issues like appendicitis, cholecystitis. Majority of our work is of emergent nature, but we do have some elective practice as well. My favorite part of the job is, the job satisfaction when you see great outcome for your patients. I believe in patient-centered care, so we always take them all steps of the way, even beyond their hospital admission to even the rehab process, and get them back to the road of full recovery, and allowing them to go back to what they like to do most, like playing golf, going back to what they do to support their families in as fast as possible. That's very satisfying to be able to accomplish that goals and help our patients achieve their goals as well. Couldn't find any better place to have surgery myself or for my family member other than North Memorial, because I know the quality of care we provide for our patients here.